I hope they're not
Oh no!
cicadas, man. Right, I want to do a song now. This is a fun tune that, I don't know, we're all chicken pickers in a way. And so this song's called Ain't Nobody Here But Us Chickens. And if you want to dance, this is the sort of song that will get you out of your seat, folks. All right. Ready, boys? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Brown was taking the air, locked up the barn with the greatest of care. Out in the hen house, something stirred when he shouted, "Who's there?" And this is what he heard: "There ain't nobody here but us chickens. There ain't nobody here at all. You're stomping around, you're shaking the ground, you're kicking up an awful dust. Us chickens trying to sleep when you bust in, and hobble, 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 it's a sin. Yeah, there ain't nobody here but us chickens. There ain't nobody here at all. Oh, bumping around, you're shaking the ground, there ain't nobody here but us. Us chickens trying to sleep when you bust in, and hobble, 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 it's a sin. Well, tomorrow is a busy day, we got lots to do, we got eggs to lay, we got down to dig and worms to scratch. It takes a lot of sitting getting chicks to hatch. There ain't nobody here but us chickens. There ain't nobody here at all. Quiet yourself, stop that fuss, you're kicking up an awful dust. Kindly point that gun the other way, and hobble, 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 hit the hay, sonny. Day. We got lots to do, we got eggs to lay, we got ground to dig and worms to stretch. Takes a lot of sitting getting chicks to hatch. There ain't nobody here but us chickens. There ain't nobody here at all. Quiet yourself, you stop that fuss. There ain't nobody here but us. Us chickens trying to sleep, and you butt in, and hobble, 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 it's a sin. Hey boss man, it's easy pickings. There ain't no doubt about it.